Mevo Cloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Run the following command to add the LiteSpeed repository and prepare your server for installation. Use the next command to install OpenLiteSpeed on your server. Once installation is complete, check the status of the LiteSpeed. Now install MySQL Server with the following command. Once MySQL is installed, secure your installation by running next command. Add the LiteSpeed PHP repository to your server using the following command. After adding the repository, update your package list with the next command. Now install LiteSpeed PHP and its common extension by using the next command. To verify that PHP modules are installed correctly, run the following command. Now set the LiteSpeed admin password by using next command. To allow web access to LiteSpeed and your server ports, open the necessary firewall ports with the following command. Now navigate to your LiteSpeed admin panel in browser by entering your IP address with the next port. You may see your connection is not private warning because the SL certificate is self-signed. It is safe to click Advanced and then proceed. Log in with the credentials you created earlier, and your LiteSpeed server is ready to manage. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.